am going to present you a very famous painting that is the Mona Lisa or Gioconda. The person that is in the painting is a mysterious either nowadays. Scientific thinks that is a part of the family of Leonardo da Vinci, that is the author of it. But it was still of the Louvre Museum 2 times, and one of it, one of the thieves throw it chemics through painting, so maybe it is not very good nowadays. The painting took to Leonardo 16 years to make it. And he take it from one studio to another every day. At the background, we can see like a landscape, maybe here a river. You can, well, and here like mountains. The face of the Gioconda is very mysterious because it is looking through to nothing. That's all.
¿Y cómo son?